Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nurjanai Lamazan. Today I'll be presenting on Mathematics Pedagogy Scenario 22. A child cannot distinguish between a rectangle and a square, often calling them by the same names. Children are often confused about the difference between a square and a rectangle because the child thinks that they are the same since the both shapes have four sides. The child is focusing mainly on what the shape have in common instead of noticing their differences. A square has four sides that are all equal, while a rectangle has two long sides and two short sides, with only the opposite side being equal. A square has four sides that are all the same length and also has four rectangles. The corners are where the sides meet. For example, these are the corners, these are the angles, and these are the sides. A rectangle has four sides and four rectangles, but only the opposite sides are equal, and meaning they both have two long sides and two short sides. For example, these are the corners, these are the angles, and these are the sides. They both have two long sides and two short sides. Mainly, both shapes has four sides and four corners, but the difference between them is that the square has all sides which are equal, while a rectangle does not.
Good morning, Miss. My name is Tashipir, and I will be presenting on strategy 1, which is sorting and identifying properties. In this strategy, I will use a cutout of a square and a rectangle to help explain the difference between the two shapes. I will show both shapes and guide the learners in looking at their sides. Using a ruler, I will demonstrate how the shapes can be measured. This will show that the square has four equal sides. And while a rectangle has a pair of equal opposites.
6:06. All the teachers come today.
This helps learners clearly see the difference between the shapes based on their properties. So, a square has four equal sides, and the rectangle has two equal opposites, a pair of two equal opposites, meaning that there are two long sides and there are two short sides.
So basically, in order to help the child understand, the teacher can give learners cutout shapes to measure and compare the sides. The teacher can also use posters or flashcards and simple explanation to show the difference between the shapes, whereby they can understand them more clearly.